Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Anaconda Python Distribution on Windows 11 operating system. Open browser, then go to anaconda.com. See here we have the free download. Click on this free download. Accept all. See here. Click on download. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, its size is 1 GB. Wait until this download completes. See, download has been completed successfully. Okay, click on this Anaconda Windows x86-64.exe file. This is standard installation. Okay. Click on next. This is the license agreement. Click on I agree. Install for just me or all users. So I want to go for just me. Then click on next. This is the installation destination. The space required is 5.7 GB. But we have enough space. If you want to change the location, click on this browse button. Then go to the drive. Create new folder, Anaconda 3. Click on OK. Now all folders and files will be stored in this Anaconda 3. Click on next. See here, if you want to create shortcut menu, you have to check this one. If you want to add this Anaconda 3 to path environment variables, you have to check this one. Registered Anaconda 3 as my default. For this one, click on OK. Keep all these 3 checkboxes as it is and click on install. See, setup is completed successfully. Click on next. Click on next. If you want to launch this Anaconda navigator, you have to keep this checkbox as it is. If you want to get started, I don't want to start, then click on finish. Now it is initializing Anaconda Navigator. Jupyter Notebook. Click on this launch. See, this is the Jupyter Notebook. And this is the link name. Okay. If you want to create new notebook, you have to click on new, then Python 3. Select the Python 3 IPy kernel. See, it is untitled 3. If you go here, we have untitled 3 notebook. Okay. If you want to save this one, just click on it or give the name or click on file and rename. Both are same. Okay. I am giving practice 1. Practice 1. That's it. Now here it also changed. See, the green means the currently active notebooks. These are the shutdown or closed Jupyter notebooks. Run or execute any Python scripts or commands. Just click on this shell. Then suppose you want to run print statement. Just click on anywhere, use the shift enter from your keyboard. See, it has printed this one. Suppose if you want to only just run, copy the same command and don't want like another shell, just give control enter. See, we don't have the shell. And if you want to shell, you have to click on this plus shell. It will insert one more shell. Okay. This is the way to execute the commands. I will show you more options of Jupyter Notebook in the upcoming videos. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Anaconda Python Distribution on Windows 11 operating system. Then we have seen how to open Jupyter Notebook and execute the commands or the scripts. Okay. For more Python videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.